Hi everyone, this is the small talk for the shopping for clothes lesson, and I'm just gonna go over a slang expression that we have for clothes, and we call clothes duds. That's another name that we have for clothes. So if you ever hear someone say, "I need to buy some new duds," they're saying they need to get some new clothes. So yes, duds. And actually, the word dud, D-U-D, it's actually got two meanings in English. So we'll go over both of those meanings. So, but first, let's just stick with the meaning clothes. So I need to buy some new duds. Now, this word origin, it's kind of a Middle English word that was used a long time ago. And usually, when they use the word duds a long time ago, it was to describe someone in kind of these really baggy, really ragged clothes, kind of like maybe something like maybe a homeless person would wear, just these raggedy clothes, and they would refer to those as duds. But in modern times, this expression it is used to just describe the general clothes you have. So yes, I'm wearing my new duds. So yeah, that's one way that we can use it in a sentence. I'm wearing my new duds. But typically, we're gonna use it like we have to go out and buy new clothes. So in this case, we could say, I need to buy some new duds. I need to buy some new duds. Or if you're going to go buy some new clothes, you can say, I'm going to go buy some new duds. Um, so yeah, if you say this to a native English speaker, they're gonna know what you're saying. They're gonna know that you're saying I need to go buy clothes if you use duds. So another slang word that we do have for clothes as well is threads. So I need to buy some new threads. So that's another word that we can use to describe clothes. Now another meaning for dud is it's an item that just doesn't work. So it can be it's an item that will not work. So it can be maybe a computer. So let's say you go out and you buy a brand new computer, and you take it home, you plug it in, you try to turn it on, and it does not turn on. The computer just will not work no matter what you do. So since it's not working properly, you would say this computer is a dud. It doesn't work properly. Um, it can also be a car that does not work. You can say this car is a dud. It doesn't work right. And another slang expression that we have for cars is lemon. So if a car doesn't work all the time, you can also call the car a lemon. So you can call it a lemon or a dud. But yeah, just remember, dud is going to have two meanings. So one meaning it's going to have is clothes. Now, when you're using dud with clothes, make sure you put the s at the end. Duds. That's going to be clothes. Now, if you're just saying dud, that is going to describe something that is not working, like a computer, a car, TV, any kind of lifeless item. So yes, that is duds that we've just gone over, and that's going to conclude this section on small talk. And thank you very much for following along.